Hello and welcome to OmicsLogic. We are a global bioinformatics and data science company with roots in India and US. Over the years, we have had the privilege to collaborate with leading universities, research institutions, and industry partners worldwide, delivering innovative learning and research solutions. Our mission is to bridge the gap between data-driven research and skill development. To achieve this, we work with regional and international experts who help us tailor our program to the specific needs of students, educators, and researchers across the globe. With the growing demand for skilled bioinformaticians and data scientists, we have developed a range of training and research offerings. These include online courses, specialized workshops, internships and fellowships, research services, as well as a degree program. This is an overview of what a student learning journey looks like. It begins with hands-on courses and programs that are suitable for all levels, so even if you are a beginner or an advanced learner. And for those looking to go beyond, our flagship research programs provides a platform to work on real-world projects with expert mentorship. We also offer courses and example projects on a diverse range of topics from genomics, transcriptomics, single-cell transcriptomics, metagenomics, as well as application-based example projects on different topics, including precision medicine, oncology, infectious diseases, and so on. All of these courses are enriched with engaging content, including visuals, infographics, and video lectures that simplify complex bioinformatics concepts for better understanding. We focus heavily on experiential learning through short tutorials, practical demonstrations, and coding exercises, enabling learners to build technical expertise and confidence. While all our courses are fully automated and lesson-based, we understand the value of mentor-guided instruction. That is why we also offer workshops and training programs that combine instructor-led sessions with hands-on walkthroughs to reinforce key concepts. This includes a combination of expert video lectures, interactive tutorials, and step-by-step lessons. These are curated to ensure learners get the best of both theoretical knowledge and practical application. For participants who are interested in carrying out research, we also conduct a mentor-guided research program that provides an unparalleled opportunity for students, researchers, and citizen scientists across the globe to work independently on a bioinformatics research project. With mentor support, this program goes beyond traditional learning, allowing participants to delve into real-world bioinformatics research using cutting-edge omics data. On the screen, you can see a program roadmap that clearly outlines the student's journey through the program. It begins with the students undergoing a comprehensive training in their chosen field of omics. This could be genomics, transcriptomics, metagenomics, and the objective here is to help participants build a strong foundation in key skills such as data processing, analysis, and visualization. In the next stage, students will work on identifying an impactful research topic through regular mentor meetings and an in-depth literature review. In the third step, students work on data collection, analysis, and interpretation. This is also the stage where students will start looking into data sets to identify trends, patterns, and correlations that will be critical for their research at hand. Finally, the program culminates in students working on completing the report, detailing all the analysis and interpretation they have carried out, preparing presentation, and submitting the work so they can receive expert feedback to refine their work. Let me walk you through a few examples on how various students have leveraged the resources to achieve their academic and professional goals. We had a cohort of students from Systems Medicine graduate program at Georgetown University who worked on machine learning projects using Python. Students have also went on to present their research projects in poster presentation competitions to win exciting cash prizes. Students also joined the program to get a research publication that gives them this extra competitive edge over other students while applying for higher studies or in the job market. One of the unique highlights is that faculties and researchers have also collaborated to carry out different research work. It is also possible to pursue an entrepreneurship and business innovation track, like a team of industrial researchers where they developed a microbiome test kit to improve the fertility of women in Nigeria. And this is a quick glimpse into some of the preprints and publications that have been carried out by students in our previous cohort. These range from fields including stem cell and development biology, space medicine and radiation protection, cancer research, neuroimmunology, vaccine efficacy, antimicrobial resistance, COVID-19, reproductive health, structural biology, as well as metabolic disorders. To view the complete collection of resources that we have explained, simply head over to OmicsLogic.com website and click on Login. Here, you can create an account for free by simply clicking on Create an Account, enter your name, email ID, password, and few other details. Or if you already have an existing social media handle such as Google, Facebook, Apple account, GitHub account, or even Twitter, you can complete setting up your profile using any of these options as well. For those participants who already have an account on the platform, simply click on Login, enter your existing email ID, password, and directly log in. In case you have forgotten your password, simply enter the email ID associated with your account and click on Forgot Password, and you will get a reset option to set up your new password. With that, I'll proceed to signing into my profile. Once you log in, the very first interface that you will see is this courses page, where you can explore the complete collection of courses and example projects as a part of our library. Here you can also explore these courses and projects based by category, such as genomics, transcriptomics, metagenomics, molecular modeling, single-cell transcriptomics, as well as R and Python coding as well. To do the same, simply head over to the Explore button, and here you can see the list of courses and example projects that covers that specific omics field. As an example, we will take the example of Course 3 Genomics. All the courses contain a comprehensive collection of lessons that you can explore at your own pace. Please make sure to click on the Load More button to view the complete collection of lessons within that coursework in this manner. As an example, I'll open up one of the lessons to show you the format of what a lesson looks like. The lessons contain textual content, there are infographics and visuals that explain the concepts further. There are also short tutorials embedded within the lessons to further explain the concept. All the lessons also consist of quizzes at the end of the section to test your knowledge. All courses also involve hands-on practicals using open source tools and softwares. As an example, I'll open up one of the lessons to show you the same. In this lesson on de novo assembly workflow, you can see that you're introduced to the data set as well as where the data set is taken from, and the participants are taken step by step through all the process of data analysis. The courses also involve interactive visuals to help participants engage with content and supplement their learning experience. Apart from the course library, we understand that some participants might prefer to learn through live mentor-guided sessions. So that is why we also conduct workshops that range between 3 to 6 days, depending on the topic, and involves hands-on practicals. As an example, let's take a look at the biomarker identification using machine learning Python workshop. All workshops involve live mentor-guided sessions on scheduled dates, and the recordings are also made available on the OmicsLogic platform for participants to review at the end of the session. In case you missed the session or would like to go back and rewatch the recording, you can access the same through the platform. Along with the lecture recordings, there are also associated lessons and supplementary materials provided. For example, for coding-related hands-on practicals, it involves using Google Colab Notebook, and these Colab Notebooks are made available on the platform so participants can access it and practice on their own. In case they run into some difficulties, participants also have the opportunity to reach out to the team and get their queries resolved. At the end of the workshop, participants can also earn workshop certification. Along with that, for whichever courses that they complete within the workshop, they will get a course certification as well. For those participants who are interested in exploring the topics much more in depth, we also offer training programs that can range between 1 month to 3 months, depending on the topics that is being covered. So here you can see the list of all the training programs that are being conducted presently. So all of these are asynchronous and self-paced, meaning the lecture videos are already available on the platform. I'll open up one of the training programs to show you as an example. So let's take the example of transcriptomics. So if you scroll down below, you will see 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Each level contains increasingly complex topics that is relevant for transcriptomic data analysis. So if you click on the beginner level, you can see 6 sessions. And within each session, it contains different study materials, including lecture videos. So if you open this session video in this manner, you can see the lecture recording. And beneath that, there are different study materials, including database links. If there are any coding related hands-on involved, there will be Google Colab notebooks. There are also reference reading materials covered that you can read through for better understanding. So once you complete the beginner level, then you move on to intermediate level, where you will be covering increasingly complex topics in this manner. And finally, to move on to the advanced level, you will be exploring other topics that are relevant. So the format for all the training programs remains the same. Within each training program, you also get access to selected collection of courses that are relevant to the topic. And once you complete reviewing the training program, you will get a training program certificate for each level: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And so whatever courses that you complete within the training program, there will be also course certifications that you will be getting. Included in this training program is also email support. So in case you're going through some topics and you're getting stuck somewhere, you can always reach out to a team to get support and address your queries. One of the frequently asked questions after completing the training is how they can apply all of the knowledge that they have gained throughout the training program into real-world projects. This is where research program comes into play. For those participants who are interested in working on a bioinformatics research project under the guidance of a mentor, this research program will be suitable for you. You can choose the specific omics field where you want to work on, such as genomics, transcriptomics, metagenomics, single-cell transcriptomics. And you can also choose the duration of the program that you want to work on. The objective of your project can be different. For example, there are participants who join the program to get research project done as a part of the dissertation, end semester project. There are also participants who join just to get some research experience. Some of the participants also join to get preprints and publications that they can showcase on their resume and on their LinkedIn profile. At the conclusion of the research program, students submit their project on the OmicsLogic website, and here you can view all of the projects that have been completed by students in the past. I'll open up one of the latest student project submissions to show you an example. The student submits the project in the form of a presentation recording that they can use to showcase their scientific communication skills, and along with that, they submit the report in the format of a research paper that involves different sections including abstract, introduction, methods, results, discussion, conclusion, and finally, references and acknowledgement. This project portfolio is very similar to that of a research paper. Here is also a quick glimpse into some of the preprints and publications carried out by students in the past, and you can view their research project details in this manner. For any queries related to training and research offerings that we provide, please feel free to reach out to us on communication@omicslogic.com or support@omicslogic.com, and we are always happy to assist you.